Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And real quick, we're going to be looking at the power of 7. We have done power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's look at power of 7. The last thing I did on my lesson. So now 7 can be in so many forms. It can serve as 7 as this. Let's say on the key of C now, right? 7 can serve as this. 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 7 can serve as so many things. But then I'm going to demonstrate 2 ways. Now one of the first way is 7 as a kind of passing to 6. You get, so if you have 7 you get, so 7 3 6, right? So I'm going to demonstrate that particular 7. Now this is what it sounds like. So instead of just doing, you are great, you're the miracle so great, there is no one else like you. You are great, you're the miracle so great. You guys, so what I'm playing is on this I have just my re. Then your 3, then your 6. Alright, so you are great. Alright, so let's look at another 7, and this time around, if you remember in the power of 6, we talked about 6 in different ways, right? Where you have 6 as this and where you have 6 as this. Now the same thing works with 7. You have 7. Now if you're going to go back to like the real thing about 7s, right? 7s are diminished. If you remember, check my beginner's course. So 7s are diminished, but this time around we are not using it as diminished. Now we are going to use it as a major, which makes it you get it now. You're seeing it. So now we're just taking this off. Now instead of playing it like this, I play it like this instead. You get, I play it like this instead. Again. So now, where does the power of 7 comes in? When peace like a river. Get. So now you saw the way I played. So the way I played it is well. I don't know why I'm just yawning anyhow these days, but no wala. You saw the way I played it is well, right? And peace. I started with my 1. Now the power of 7 will not make me start with my 1. The power of 7 will make me start with 7. Now let's see how it sounds. When breathe like a Did you get that? This is what the power of 7 helped me do. I started with when peace. You get it? Oh, this is so peaceful. Do you understand? Now let's look for another song again. I'm thinking of a song. Let me think of a hymn. So now you know this song. I am stable, whatever may be silent. Now I'm not going to like just start. If I want to follow the power of 7, now let me follow the power of 7. So what am I doing? Sorry. Instead of you get the idea. So so now I can do I'll do it again. See that it's not difficult. One of the ways I know where to like substitute my 7 for my 1 is most times if I have a chord that is doing, it's supposed to do 1, 2, 3. You get? So I can substitute instead of, you get? So let's say like the song I did, the last song I did. Sorry. You get? So normally I can do instead of doing this, coming back doing this, I now replaced it with You get? So instead of just doing so I exalt thee. So you see where the power of 6, 7 comes in. Now, most of the times you get, so instead of songs like I will bless them, instead of I will bless them, oh God, you get, I take it to I will bless them, oh God, the saints wonderful. I will worship and give praise to Him alone. Ahead, then I can now go back to my 5 normally, but I can do that. So I will rise the land of God, the saints upon the throne. I will worship Him and give the praise to Him. He who has needs to come. I will sing once forever. Wow, one. Oh, two. So basically, you see that you can use different powers and incorporate them together. So guys, thank you guys for joining. And if you want to get a hang of the power series, you can go to my previous post. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, this is the 7th. Yeah. So please keep subscribing to my channel. Keep streaming my songs. Keep getting my products. And God will bless you richly. God bless you guys.